One does not learn to make better decisions by simply deciding many times, by making plenty of decisions, but by enriching the quality of your judgment. CASE method is placing the participant at the center of a decision, and you have a set of partial, incomplete, and perhaps inaccurate information. And we really want you to empathize with the decision maker, put yourself in their feet, and think, what would you do?
You spend a lot of time putting yourself in the shoes of the guy that you are representing. You just learn much faster because you've been discussing firsthand that problem or that solution.
There's only so many people that are going to go to a department store. It's a shrinking pie.
I'm not sure if it's shrinking, because the problem is that we are losing our segment of customer.
Yeah, but he's also completely disconnected. Pricing didn't connect with what the people wanted.
It's also our responsibility to come very prepared to the class, because we are going to be the ones who are going to be generating this type of knowledge.
We really want to transform people, and that means knowledge, that means skills, that means values, and we really need to put this all together with emotions to transform people, and that's what the CASE method allows us to do.